federal court striking down a California law that bans handgun signs. The judge saying that banning licensed gun dealers from displaying handgun-related signs or advertising is unconstitutional and violated their First Amendment rights. 23 ABC's Eliza Navarro talked to a gun store owner that says she cannot wait to finally advertise what she sells. Eliza?
Yes, Jess. Cindy Thomé has sold guns for over 30 years right here in Bakersfield, and she says she is delighted that businesses like her own will be able to have signs outside of their business. This is the outside of Bear Mountain Sports in Southeast Bakersfield, a store that sells guns amongst other things, but notice there are no advertisement signs with pictures of guns.
The Department of Justice does not allow us to show any guns on any of our signs, our windows. Nothing on the outside can have any kind of a picture of a gun.
Cindy Thomé, the owner of Bear Mountain Sports, says guns are a main portion of her business, and she says not being able to advertise them affects her store.
We have as many rights as other businesses to display what we sell. We don't want to display it in an offensive manner, but there's nothing wrong with being able to show a side view of a lawful firearm available for sale.
In 1923, the state of California passed a law that started the ban on gun ads, specifically the advertising of handguns. Supporters argued that limiting the ads stops people who are impulsive from buying guns. On Tuesday, a federal judge struck down the ban, but on the basis that it violated First Amendment rights.
It has been a big fight in the courts to have our rights heard, and I'm delighted that this ruling has happened today. It just opens up a world of opportunity. You know, it makes me want to look at buying a new sign, which will help the sign business and other things, and I'm excited that I might actually be able to put a sign out for what I sell.
Business owners selling handguns were only allowed to have signs that said the word guns, but now will be able to provide pictures to help spread the word and help their business. In studio, Eliza Navarro, 23 ABC.